In August 2022, I teamed up with Veterans Back 40 Adventure, a veterans nonprofit that works with veterans to get them outside and reconnect with other veterans in their area to build up that camaraderie where they can unwind from the daily stresses of life. I was fortunate enough to take 4 veterans on this amazing journey. Along the way, they got to experience awesome scenery, good camping, as well as some good food along the route. Our final destination was Yellow Pine, Idaho, where we would see the famous Harmonica Festival. So sit back and come right along with us. Just a gorgeous morning, nice little sunrise. Oh! And it was at this moment he knew he f***ed up. Well, gentlemen, no one died today. But it got close, but no one died today. Guys doing the switchbacks. Got the guys here in Warren, introduce them to the bomb shelter. Gonna grab some food, hydrate, and then gonna head down to the Salmon River and get some camp set up. Alrighty, just about to leave Warren and go get camp on the fork of the Salmon River. Warren is an old mining town, silver mining, gold mining. Lots of old infrastructure still here, and still people that live here year round. Forest Service camp here as well. All right, let's get to camp, get set up. Well, we made it. Schaefer Creek Campground, right on Salmon River. Pretty excited about going and getting in that. It's about 92 degrees right now, so gonna set up camp real quick right about here. and go get in the water. Well, we got back from dipping in the river and cooling off. Even caught a tiny little fish. But we got camp all set up, kind of settling in for the night. Fire going. There's everybody's set up. Ryan, Logan, with the river in the background. It's a nice little way to end the trip. It's really our last real camping night out in the woods. We got Ken down here filtering out some water. Cool little bridge in the background. Nice way to end the day.
Yeah, Logan, active Air Force 15 years. Just love motorcycles and being outdoors and hanging out with fellow like-minded individuals.
So why do you like to ride motorcycles?
I've done it ever since I was about 5. Rode with my dad since I was a kid. Dirt bikes, dual sports, a little bit of street, but mostly now dirt and adventure bikes.
And have you gotten anything out of this trip? And if so, what have you gotten out of this trip?
Just camaraderie and getting to see new things. So meeting some new people, meeting Jim, meeting Ken, meeting Matt, meeting the ground.
Yeah.
A couple times, yeah. It's pretty fun pushing the front end around in sand, but it's all good. Helping other people like Kyle Cooper for dropping his bike down the hill and then winching it back up. It's pretty fun. I think he was happy he didn't die.
Hi, my name is Ken Kreitzer. I live in Bozeman, Montana. I'm here kind of just to hang out with the guys. Love riding motorcycles, love the Idaho BDR. It's one of the most beautiful places that you can ride, honestly. Meeting new people, always a bonus. Helping out people where you can. Taking care of the environment while we're out doing it. Just being what we are. You know?
And what branch of service?
Marine Corps.
Hoorah.
Jim Walters. I was in the Army, radar technician.
How long have you ridden motorcycles?
Well, just like these guys, since I was a kid.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you get anything out of it?
Sure. Yeah, it helps you clear your head and takes away a lot of the stress of daily life and what have you. And meet some cool people, have fun, eat some dust.
There you go. Yeah. Anything out of this trip particular that kind of stands out?
Just a good time, good guys, neat country.
Good to have you.
Yep.
Got everybody loading up. Last day. Got about 50 miles to get to Yellow Pine. Gonna go up and over Elk Summit, which is that away, and probably gonna check out the Pilot Peak lookout tower as well. But it's a good spot. Pilot Peak lookout, 5 miles up that road. crud up here, but top of the world views.
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, hi, Kyle. Kyle. You know who you are. Yeah.
We've been looking for you.
Oh yeah?
Holy shit, I seen your YouTube channel.
Possibly.
Yeah. I know him. I saw as my Africa friend looking at your videos.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's awesome. Hey, great to meet you.
You too.
I gotta get a picture.
Yeah, for sure. Hey. What's going on?
What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
All right.
I didn't die.
Huh?
I didn't die. Well, I made it to Yellow Pine. Met up with the VB40 crew, and these guys are getting ready to set up tents and get nestled in for the weekend for the famous Harmonica Festival.
Oh, well, I didn't see you there. My name's Matthew Williams. I have a YouTube channel, Tall Man Moto. What all am I doing here?
Name. You got that. Branch of service.
Prior Navy.
Okay. How long did you serve?
5 years, 4.5 straight years on an aircraft carrier.
And what did you do?
I was a media guy.
Gotcha. And with Veterans Back 40, how did you get involved, and like why did you want to do the ride with Veterans Back 40?
I found Veterans Back 40 when I went to Giant Loop. Dan was out there. I had no idea who they were, what they had done. He invited me to camp with the group. Had an amazing time. And what I love about Veterans Back 40 is the camaraderie, man. Like, it's just so cool to go out with fellow vets, and it's a unique group, right? Like, if you know, you know. And you're just building that camaraderie. You're building that sense of a team. And it's always an adventure. Like, it's always cool to ride motorcycles in general, right? I got into it to go see cool stuff and meet new people. But like, VB40 just elevates that with veterans, and it's awesome. It's always a good time. Unless you fall off your motorcycle and hurt your wrist.
And then on a personal level, like why do you ride? In a nutshell.
For adventure, to go new places, to experience the world around me in a way that you can't with any other form of transportation.
Gotcha. Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh. I'm the owner of the Yellow Pine General Store and the tavern here in Yellow Pine, and also the event coordinator for the Harmonica Music Festival. And I'm a member of VB40. I served in the U.S. Coast Guard, and just discovered the town riding BDRs. I was a coach for BMW, the off-road academies. They're here, and just got involved in the adventure riding and desert racing and motorcycles for quite a few years. And this is just a great backcountry little town. We have access to all kinds of wilderness, Payette National Forest, Boise National Forest, and just so much riding and adventuring, fishing, hunting. It's just a great destination. And here this weekend we've got our big annual Harmonica Music Festival, and we get anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 people show up in the backcountry. Their woods look like Woodstock back here, with all the campers and everybody through the trees. And we got a big main stage being built. We have 2 stages this year, and we have some really great performing artists: Charlie Musselwhite, Lee Oscar, Mark Hummel, some really great names in the blues industry that have never come back into the backcountry and played. Famous Grammy Award-winning blues artists. So we're super excited, and we're getting set up, and I appreciate the guys at VB40 for coming to help us out. The thing I like about the organization is it's veterans helping veterans. So I give my time to help and take guys on tours and guide trips, or provide training and consulting or whatever for it as well. So it's just awesome that all of us who work within the organization don't take for ourselves, and we give back to our fellow veterans and help everybody else in need. So that's just what I love about this group of guys, and we've developed a really great camaraderie, and just some of the best friends I've met.
Hi, my name is Dan. I'm president of Veterans Back 40. What Veterans Back 40 is a nonprofit that specializes in providing outlets for veterans free of charge. We do motorcycle trips, camping trips, hiking trips, hunts, fishing, anything we can do to get vets out, give them a sense of purpose and belonging, and just show them an absolutely amazing experience. This weekend, we're here at the Yellow Pine Harmonica Festival. We've brought 9 vets in to show them an amazing time at Yellow Pine here. This is an amazing opportunity to be here, guys. If you ever get a chance, come to Yellow Pine. It's heaven on earth. So we're fortunate enough to be able to team up with people like Backcountry Adventure Motorsports, Yellow Pine General Store, and Yellow Pine, Idaho, to be able to provide an outlet for our veterans here in Yellow Pine, to show them what it is that we do and get out here in God's country. This is beautiful. It doesn't get much better than that. I appreciate you all.
Well, the festival is kicking off, and that means that this is going to come to a close. Had an awesome time bringing these guys down. They're going to have a great weekend. Check out Veterans Back 40 Adventure. It's vb40adb.org. Also check them out on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to get involved, send them a message. I'm sure they'll get right back to you. And we've got rides coming up. There's all kinds of events throughout the year. So if you want to get involved, check it out, vb40adb.org. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks for checking out this 3-part series of videos. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, try checking out this one next. Or if you like gear reviews, here's another one here. If you'd like to support the channel, check out backcountryadbmoto.com, maybe pick up some merch, or the Patreon page, linked right here. Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell icon. That way you know when new videos like this are released, and we'll see you in the next one.